Today, we'll show you how to use the programmable controller for the LOOKEE HealGlow Pro Light Therapy Belt. We'll also explain one very important point in near-infrared setting. It's completely normal if you cannot see the lights turning on. This does not mean the belt is not working. When you open the package, the first thing you'll see is two large, clearly printed user manuals, one in English and one in French. Under the manuals, you'll find the HealGlow Pro Light Therapy Belt, the programmable controller, and the power adapter. Before using the device, please read the user manual carefully for complete instructions, safety information, and details about the therapy modes. Now, let's set it up. First, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet, then connect the controller to the HealGlow Pro Belt. Please make sure the arrow marks on the connectors are aligned before inserting them. Do not force the connection. For first-time setup, press the on/off button to turn the device on. Press setting button to enter the setting menu. Continue pressing the setting button to switch between the four main settings: timer, therapy mode, intensity level, and LED option. When a setting is highlighted, use the plus or minus button to adjust your selection. For the therapy timer, you can choose from 1 to 30 minutes. For therapy mode, you can select from 10 built-in therapy modes such as pain relief, muscle and joint, chronic care, and more. Please refer to the user manual for more information about all 10 therapy modes. For intensity level, you can choose from level 1 to level 5, with level 5 being the highest intensity. Now let's look at the most important setting, LED option. You can choose from 3 LED options. All means both the red LEDs and near-infrared LEDs are turned on. Red means only the visible 660 nanometer red LEDs are turned on. NIR means only the near-infrared LEDs are turned on. Please remember, near-infrared light is invisible to the human eye, so if you select NIR mode, it is completely normal that you cannot see any lights on the belt. If you want to visually confirm that the belt is lighting up, please select all or red mode. After you finish your selections, to confirm the NIR LEDs are working, place the device in a dark area and view it through a mobile phone camera. While NIR light is invisible to the naked eye, most phone cameras can detect the faint infrared glow. Press the on-off button to exit the setting mode, then press the on-off button again to start your therapy session. The HealGlow Pro will automatically turn off when the timer is complete. Your settings will be saved automatically. So next time, simply plug in the power and press the on-off button to start your therapy session with your last saved settings. That's it. Your HealGlow Pro is now ready to use.